Your shop deserves tools tough enough to withstand your demands. Tools that deliver the power and durability you need to get the job done. You need the tools professionals turn to. Tools from Jet. With a 50-inch bending capacity and 135-degree maximum degree of bend, Jet's 16-gauge by 50-inch dual-sided box and pan brake is designed for a wide range of bending applications. The dual set of fingers gives you the ability to customize your workpiece by easily removing and adding either upper or lower fingers for multiple bends. To save time and energy, the non-skid locking foot pedal frees your hands for a safer and more convenient work experience. Selecting the correct gauge is now at your fingertips. Simply adjust the leaf with a twist of the knob. With your workpiece in place, the bending leaf can be easily lifted with the aid of the pneumatic lift assist, reducing operator fatigue. Backed by Jet's industry-leading 2-year full warranty, it is easy to see why metalworking experts trust Jet. Visit jettools.com for more information and to find a dealer.